Welcome to the new crypto channel. Yes, we called this out perfectly. That's why you subbed to the channel. We are playing crypto so well on this channel. Now, we did get a break on Bitcoin. Are we going lower? I guarantee you we are. Let's get into it. All right, great jobs. And by the way, guys, if you caught this play in the Discord and you shorted this at 30 with us, great job, guys. Now, just be very careful, guys, because if Bitcoin does go down to around support of around 45,000, guys, this will destroy a lot of the smaller cap crypto companies, and especially the mining companies. But what is different about this channel, right? Well, I trade stocks and I trade crypto, and I know the stocks, like the indexes, like the triple Qs or the NAS, it affects Bitcoin's price. I made this channel because I'm so tired of these other YouTubers that don't give you real information. If you don't understand, look, the triple Qs, right? Here's the overlap of the NAS, and here's the overlap of Bitcoin. It moves together. Stop following these other YouTubers that don't trade stocks and crypto. You will not get more of a reading than me. I promise you that. That's why you sub to the channel. Let's get into it. So if Bitcoin actually does break this support, which is not going to be hard at all, we will go down to around 46,000, K on Bitcoin. Now, what is that going to do to your smaller cap coins, right? Because it moves with Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, it's going to move your small ones. Now, let's just actually check out Coin real quick. Coin did get a rejection off of resistance. So if you caught that, great job. It's going to pretty much move the same way as Mara. We do have support around 115. And by the way, if you did not sell at this top, it was a crazy, crazy run. Now, same thing with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops to around 47,000, this will go down to around 2,400. So there's never a wrong time to take gains, guys. This channel right here will break, just like Bitcoin's channel. So like that channel that I just showed you, this one right here is the exact same thing as this channel right here. It's not hard to understand. I don't get why other YouTubers don't talk about this, but I don't know. It blows my mind. But on this coin right here, we actually did break support. Now we do have a second support of around, if this actually breaks, guys, this will go lower. So if we actually do break 100, which is at 103, this will go lower. Now Bitcoin, if it stops around 45,000, this is probably going around to the $85 range. So just be very careful. Now with Dogecoin, we actually did get a blow up top and we are at support right now. If we actually do break support, we do have a second support of around 0.080. But if that breaks, watch out, this will go lower to around 0.073. But for that to happen, you're really going to need the triple Qs to drop. And like I said, if you don't understand, it literally moves with crypto. Here's the NAS, here's Dogecoin. Oh my goodness gracious. Now if the NAS and the triple Q start to drop, you will see all these crypto companies take a dive. Now we actually did get a rejection off of resistance, so if you caught that, great job. That's why you subbed to the channel. And by the way, leave me a like, that helps me out a ton on this new channel. Now we do have a second support around 90.87, so if that does make its way down there, I would definitely look for that spot right there. On Riot, the crypto mining company, sorry, I have to talk about this. Now we did get a blow off top like Mara. Now I do see this going down around 13, so just be very careful. Bitcoin will go down to around 47,000. That will absolutely destroy this company. Now just be very careful with this one too. It actually did break support. Now we did call this out where I said, hey, if this breaks, it's going to drop. Now we do have a support around 66 if that makes its way down there, but in order to keep pushing in these coins, you're going to need the indexes to go higher and Bitcoin to go higher. It's over. The time is over. These coins are going to take a dive and these coins will go lower. So just be very careful, guys. Now, if this support does break, you do have a second support around 53. So just be very careful. Now with Bitcoin Cash, just be very careful. This channel right here in Bitcoin Cash is the exact same thing as this channel right here in Bitcoin. So just be very careful, guys, because that channel is going to break and all these coins they're going to take a dive. And I don't want to see anybody get trapped. That's actually why I made this channel, because I got so tired of these YouTubers that don't explain this. I don't get it. Now, if this does break support of around 231, you do have a second support around 186. Now, on this coin right here, Stellar, we actually did, let me actually zoom in. Now, we actually did get a rejection off of resistance right here, and we came back in the channel. Now, this channel did break, so your next support, which there's a lot of buying pressure right here, so I would definitely pay attention to this spot right here. Now, if we do make it down to here around 106.2, then if we break that, then your next level is going to be around 98.2. So just be very careful. On this coin right here, we actually did get a blow off top. We did break the channel. Now, these smaller coins are breaking. What is that going to tell you what Bitcoin's going to do? It's kind of give you a hint on what Bitcoin's going to do. Now, we broke this channel. We came right back in. There is a lot of buying pressure right here too. So if we do make its way down to around 81, this is probably going to be where Bitcoin's going to stop around 47,000. So this is probably where it's going to stop. So 80 is going to be a strong support. If that breaks, you will see this go down to around 70. Now, on this coin right here, it is on support, guys. So be very careful. If it does break 1.051, this will go lower. This channel right here is the exact same thing as Bitcoin's channel. If Bitcoin's channel breaks, it's going lower. And we actually do have a second support. So the second support will be around 97 if we ever do make it down there. Now with this one right here, we actually did break support. So if you caught this, great job. Now we do have a second support of around 52.65. Now if that breaks, just watch out. This coin will go lower. Now guys, just remember this rally right here was from the year-long rally in the stock market. That's a lot of these coins. This rally right here, I'll even pull it up. You guys need to start overlapping. I don't get why I sit there and argue with people about this. It just blows my mind. So like this right here, this rally right here is due from this push. Now if the triple Qs do ever crash and go down to say low 300s, you will see this coin go back down to around 29. Now back in here, you will get pumps like this, guys. You will. But just remember that the market's going to affect these coins very, very hard. Now with this one right here, XRP, I think we did break support. Let's check it out. I think we are on it. So XRP is on support right now from this lower bottom right here. Now if we do break this around 0.53, there is actually a lot of buying pressure right here. Let me put a support right here for you. Now, if we ever do make our way down to around 49, if we do break that, watch out, 46 will come next. Now, on SEI, we did break support. Bitcoin is going to do the exact same thing. Right here is around 46,000 in Bitcoin. If you have these smaller cap companies breaking, that's exactly what Bitcoin is going to do. Now, if we do make our way down to around 0.69, you're going to find a lot of support, but there really isn't much holding up this coin at all. So on this coin right here, exact same thing. If Bitcoin breaks this channel, this is the exact same channel on Bitcoin. If that breaks, which you already have smaller cap coins doing it, I definitely see this going around 0.50. So just be very careful. It's at 0.59, and that's a really big loss if you are a part of that kind of crowd. Now on this last coin I'm going to talk about, it did break support. So if you caught this, great job. That's why you subbed to the channel. Now there is nothing below this holding it up. Now if we go down to around 47,000 Bitcoin, you will see $16 in this. So just be very careful, guys. And thank you for all the support and likes on the video. This is a new channel, and we're going to take it to the top and own this crypto mining world on YouTube. Later, guys.